I'm sorry I couldn't keep my promise. You probably don't remember, but I was really serious about building that gorgeous house with a big yard. A house on a hill where you could see the sea. With a designer kitchen and a studio in the basement, and piles of clothes in your closet. All the latest fashions, of course. I'd be there waiting. So every time a boy made you cry, you could come back home and just smile.
Jesus Christ! He's not even your family. Mom and Dad were. I am.
It's funny how life brings people together.
Like one of your victims.
Faster! Let's go faster!
You're collecting a sample of Bonnie's blood for your slide collection. You're not a trophy.
You remember now?
You need to be put down. Brian Moser, my dead brother. It's been a long time since I've seen him.
Too long.
Do the wires in your mind get sewn together, rubbed and severed by the heat? You don't know how long I can stare into your picture and wish that it was me. I guess it's different because you love home, but I've got an interactive, sick and twisted imagination. That's gotta count for something.
When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey baby, it's me. I was just calling to chat with you a little bit while you're on your break, but...
I wonder if Rita's looking at this same moon at this same moment. I like that. Connected by light. The dark passenger's been fighting against it, trying to keep me all to himself. But it's my turn now. To get what I want. To embrace my family.
Before Mom died, she told me that I was gonna beat this world. I didn't.
Get me Negan.
Ricky, look at you calling me up. You want to tell me where you are so we can do this face to face?
Carl's dead. He is dead because of you. Because you weren't there to stop him from doing something stupid. You failed. You failed as a leader. And most of all, Rick, you failed as a father. Just give up.
They make it look so easy. Connected with another human being. It's like no one told them it's the hardest thing in the world.
I just got home and found my wife dead in the bathtub.
Did you say your wife is dead?
Yes, I did. She has an approximately 1-inch incision midway up her right thigh, dissecting the femoral artery.
First met her. I never expected that to change. She reached out and found something I didn't even know was there.
Feelings pass right through you, don't they? So cold and unforgiving in every choice you made in battle. You're a soldier. I think that's what let us trust you so well.
Dog, save your strength.
I don't need it. I need you to be strong. Strong enough to do what you've never done in your life.
I'm sorry.
Can you be strong enough to allow yourself to be? Can you just be human?
photos will become old photographs. We'll all become somebody's mom or dad. But right now, these moments are not stories. This is happening.